Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you very much. Menu guys, asivele singena odabeni kule video sizokhuluma ngodade uWinnie Mashaba esibona lapha na kule story esihambayo ngaye on social media as it is. Kukhulunywa ngokuthi lapha na uye waya ke ka Baba Solomogolo since siyazi ukuthi Baba Solomogolo washona and siyazi ukuthi Baba Solomogolo no Sisi Winnie bekufana nengane yakhe lana kade imentor when it comes to music nakho konke kasi all know ukuthi both they are Sion gospel musicians bangabaculi bo music weSioni and sabona uWinnie Mashaba ekhuluma ngokuthi uBaba Solomogolo ufana uyimentor yakhe futhi nje ungubhuti wakhe when it comes to music into ikanjalo guys. So ekuguleni kwakhe nayo yonke into uBaba Solomogolo azange sibone lutho or sizwe lutho ngala uWinnie Mashaba aphathisa khona when it comes to ukugula kaBaba Soli. Mhlambe abasitshelanga mhlambe abayipublicizanga le ukuthi no uWinnie Mashaba siyewasiza lana umalume Soli omhlambe siyewasiza lana. So okwenzekayo manje ukuthi njengoba ke uBaba Solomogolo esedlulile may so rest in peace. uWinnie Mashaba posted ka Instagram uye waposta you guys imbona lapha na ke edonswa njengabantu you guys bemgxeka ngalokho akwenzile bethi hawo kodwa kube leyo mali sisi uye waphathisa uBaba Solomogolo njengementor yakho ngobhuti wakho wakukhulisa ku music kube bethethe leyo mali wayophathisa ukuthi ukhokhe since bekufuneka ukuthi operate lapha sabona ukuthi kudinga kwenzeke ibrain operation kube sisibo uthethe leyo mali wayo donate ngayo kunokuthi uyidlalise into ekanjalo. So I think uyile lapha na usisi Winnie Mashaba ka Baba Solomogolo wa post uthi yena re khatile molatu ka ga malume Soli Mogolo from Polokwane to Soshanguve, from Soshanguve back to Polokwane. So into enzekayo ukuthi ethi re khatile molatu utsamayile ka private jet, something like uhambe ngendiza ke lezi ezabo ke ezi private, it is a private jet. So yeah man you guys, so abantu abekho mnandi lapha na you guys mangiya kuma comments angiqale lana abantu ukhona othe yena yane matsatsi amahung re yela fela the show of Modimo Aritushe. This is someone omunye sithi poor woman can't win, she's criticized for everything. Omunye ati but this is mode of transport, it has got nothing to do with anything. What matters is ukuthi Mambweni went to support the family. People are always hating Eloa Shwabisha, something like that. And then ama comment amaningi bathi aralebuha uWinnie Mashaba have they confirmed funeral arrangements? These are people asking in comment section khona ka Instagram la post khona omunye athi Modimo Tabasioni arekwe, omunye athi let's go, let us scroll a little bit, omunye athi this money yawu hira private jet nkebe repateji medical bill ya Solomogolo. And then yeah, let me see. Omunye at epic failed to read the room. It was not necessary to show off horror when you chapter flights, especially after the family made a plea for help financially. So omunye at levels na kinyaga go fitla mo malume paved your way. You are paving Eti Mapula Munye Pau and soon man love you both. Okay, this is somebody, but la kuka Instagram you guys. So when it comes to Facebook, njengobuza ukuthi abantu bayamgxeka usisi Winnie Mashaba bathi how sisi wasuhamba nge-private jet from Polokwane to Soshanguve, kube nje leyo mali oyidlalisayo kube uhambe wayosiza ngayo lapha na ka Baba Solomogolo esasesibhedlele ngakashoni useshonile sizofika ama private jet ushuthi abantu basithanda nje sesingasekho uma sisaphila abantu abanandaba nathi. This is what people are saying. Let us go on Facebook. Ikhona lapha publication bathe Limpopo born gospel singer Winnie Mashaba disappoints Mzansi for flying to Solomogolo's funeral in a helicopter. Solomogolo's family was asking for donations. You were quiet. Winnie faced social media criticism for traveling by helicopter to visit the family of the late Solomogolo. Utena lapha my trip to Malume Solomogolo's home. When Mama saw me, she said, "Ngwanaka, my child, I'm happy you are here." The spark in her eyes as I shamelessly continue to mourn my mentor and father in the music industry, continue to raise eternal peace. This is Winnie Mashaba. So ngabantu ke lapha na you guys bethi how Winnie ufika nge-private jet, imali leyo nkosi yami angithi kube usize ngayo. So yeah, let us see. You let him die. Winnie Mashaba criticized for showing off at Solly Mogolo's funeral. It's not a funeral, but she visited the home. Dr. Winnie Mashaba faced, this is another publication, criticism for visiting the late Solly Mogolo's family in a private plane, with detractors accusing her of flaunting her wealth. They questioned her intentions and suggested that given her always referring to Solly Mogolo as her mentor, she should have prioritized providing financial support for his medical expenses. Asibone khona lapha ama comments, you guys. People are not even ashamed of suggesting someone to pay a huge bill while they are hiding behind social media with advanced airtime. Omunye atina how okay, everyone on earth is owing Solly Mogolo. Why Lily so? No one owes anyone anything. Tlogela batho le ditšhelete tsa bona yo le namara la bulela through this is someone omunye ati she had other commitments, using a car was not convenient. And then ati that's right, she should have helped. Solly Mogolo is her mentor. How can they prove that she didn't provide medical assistance support for him? She was supposed to call media for attention. This is a question though. That's pure show off. Even a taxi was right. Money is the root of all evil. Ngomunye la piana. I guess she should have walked there to or hitchhike. So kune story esikhona ka Times Live Vatina. Winnie Mashaba accused of not living up to her claims of Solly Mogolo being her brother and her mentor. Gospel singer Winnie Mashaba is being criticized on social media for showboating. This is after the singer allegedly landed at Wonderboom Airport in Pretoria in a private aircraft to visit the family of the late Solly Mogolo. Now, on Friday, a music executive who asked to remain anonymous Utena. A fact is that Winnie failed to visit Solly Mogolo in hospital, and she was supposed to use that plane to go to Rustenburg and visit Solly. Now she uses it for showboating, for an exposure. These people love each other only on social media, but in real life, this is how they'll do when you are dead, because you mean nothing to them. Omunye ati, why didn't she help with Solly Mogolo's medical bills? Omunye ati, this woman always said Solly Mogolo was her brother and mentor, but today she's exposing the opposite of her claims. It's sad. The issue isn't the aircraft, but rather her timing to prioritize her attention to Solly Mogolo when he is no more. So, meanwhile, the members of Limpopo Artists Movement, which has been collecting donations for Solly Mogolo's hospital bill, visited his family last week. And then Winnie Mashaba agathola for a comment. Let me show my thoughts, you guys. Kulolu daba. Ngombono wami mina. Siyazi vele siyabona Solly Mogolo no Tate Winnie Mashaba becula bonke ementara when it comes to music. Sibonile nje esaqala ukucula lapha you guys kule video lana egqoke umaroon lapha. Yinkathi lezi baba Solly Mogolo ayesamentarisha as a child ku music industry into isikanjalo naye washo wathi umalume Solly ufana nemento yakhe nobhuti wakhe lapha when it comes to music. So mina angicabangi ukuthi baba Solly Mogolo angagula nami engagulanga nje ebe nenkinga nje into isikanjalo uWinnie Mashaba angangenelele. Angicabangi you guys, ngicabanga ukuthi uye wangenelela mhlambe futhi naleyo medical bill thola ukuthi uyibhadele just ukuthi leyo nto le ayizange ya publicize la sokupubliciziwe nguye laphana esefika esifeni ehamba ngale private jet ke esepost ukuthi hayi rekhatile moha malume Solly Mogolo, right? Lokhu kupostile but mhlambe wabona ukuthi lokho kwemali ayikhiphile akumelanga akuposta akakupublicizanga lokho. Manje ngoba upublicize lokho okuyafika esifeni, that's why sesimdreka sithi wawungasebenzanga le mali public jet private jet ukukhokha ilokhu. What if uzikhokhile vele? What if she really did pay? Ngokubona kwami ngibona ukuthi angangaphathisi ka Solly Mogolo never ever. Angicabanga ukuthi uWinnie Mashaba angaphathisi, yazi ukuthi beba close you guys. Baba Solly Mogolo bekufana nengane yakhe leya. Angiboni mina ukuthi uWinnie Mashaba engangaphathisi. I'm sorry if angaphathisanga, but angicabangi in my thoughts and my opinions njengoba ngishare umbono wami. Ambona uWinnie Mashaba angaphathisi ubaba Solly Mogolo agula. Ngicabanga ukuthi leyo nto leyo asange sayisherelwa. uprefere ukuphathisa angayipublicize, but waseposta ke uke esifeni, wasengena enkingeni ukuposta uke esifeni. Abantu bathi even hamba nge-private jet ukusuka from Polokwane to Soshanguve akwazi uhamba ngemoto something, like you have to fly. Did you have to fly there? Yo guys, like abantu bazokudrekisha. I can see uWinnie Mashaba bayamdrekisha, bayamdonsa bamisale nale, but uhambe nge-private jet ushuthi leyo mali uyophathisa ngayo le. Yo guys, kuningi bafethu. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi uphathisile, kodwa Nkosi yami ngicabanga ukuthi did help kuphela, ukuthi akuzange kwa publicizwa lokho. Sizothini masingathula ukuthi sebebuya manje bezositshela ukuthi this is how Winnie Mashaba helped? Thina sesimdrekisha, sizothini masingathula ukuthi ngempela uye wakhokha for that particular operation? Sizothini? Angiboni mina ukuthi bengakaphathisi Winnie Mashaba, never. Angicabangi. Ngicabanga ukuthi ayipublicizwanga, but ngoba lokhu sekupostile ukuthi yo rile ka posta na private jet, yo hayi abasamntosantosanga Nkosi yami, kunzima lapha on social media. People say yo imali is the root of all evil. Uzufly kusuke ePolokwane eSoshanguve khona ukuthi kuba uthethe leyo mali wayosiza ngayo. This is people will tell you how to use your money. What if nangale vele uphathisile bafethu? I come on. But anyways, usho umbono wakho comment section, like i video, subscribe, share, so besipotana futhi kwenye landelayo. Bye.